What's the plan? You can see you, kind of. Okay. Look here. Look at him, see? He's walking up in there like, you mother. Oh, God, he's so dumb. Dude, Jocks. Dude, there's two Jocks in Jesper. Your new name is Travis. Because there's gonna be two of everything now because there's no Travis in here.
We gotta sit next to all of our friends.
Okay, we'll sit next to all of our friends. Hey, Josh. Which one? Which Josh were we talking about?
What the hell is
Which Josh were we talking about, huh? Could you tell me that? Riddle me that. Huh? Which Jeff would I be talking to? If I said Jeff.
He's drowning in
Which one?
My mom told me to be in bed right now, but I know she's trying to do full-time movie.
Jeez. Man, I think you're owning it this game. Jeez. Yeah. Dude, look at him. He is so intense, man. Hold on, I'll stop it at 2 minutes, man. Shh. Don't say look at the clock. It's bad luck. It's bad. This whole time. Say something to him. Yes.